All right, friends, we're going to play a fun little game with the eBay algorithm. It is called Two Truths and a Lie. If you've not played before, what I'm going to do is give you three facts about the eBay algorithm, and then you're going to guess which one is the lie. I'm then going to go through and tell you which one is the lie, why it's a lie, and then explain the other two a little bit more in depth and why they are true and how they can help you in your reselling on eBay business. So let's go ahead. I'm going to give you the three facts and then let you guys let me know down below which one you think is the lie. So the first one is you have to list every day for the eBay algorithm. The second thing is the most important thing for the eBay algorithm is relevancy in your listing. And then the third thing is free shipping helps boost your exposure due to the algorithm. Let me know down below which one you guys think is the lie and why you think it's the lie. So the first thing is you have to list every single day for the eBay algorithm. It's the lie, friends. So now you know the next two are truths, but do stay tuned to tell. I'm going to explain a little bit more on why they're the truths and how they can help you in your reselling business. But you have to list every day for the eBay algorithm. This is simply not true. Is listing every single day going to help your sales? Yes. Does the algorithm care? No. And the reason the algorithm doesn't care is because they don't care what you're doing. The reason that it's going to help with your sales is it's about buyer behavior. And the majority of sales on eBay are coming from what they call, I can't remember the exact word, but they're like enthusiast buyers. I think that's what eBay actually calls them, is enthusiast buyers. It's buyers who are making multiple purchases a month, typically within a niche on eBay. So your buyer behavior is, if they're making multiple purchases within the same niche, they are sorting through newly listed items. They're looking at eBay on a regular basis and they don't want to see items that they've already seen. They want to see new inventory. And so their buying behavior, their search patterns is actually through newly listed. The other thing that is going to help, and so this is kind of like maybe it's with the algorithm a little bit, but a new item listed, because eBay doesn't know where to put it. They don't know where it fits in. They want to get it sold. So it's going to give it a little bit more exposure. So kind of, I guess, for the algorithm. And this is like a little bit of a lie, a little bit of a truth, I guess. But it's a little bit for the algorithm in the sense of a new item is going to get more exposure because eBay is putting it in a bunch of different places on their platform to figure out where it's going to do best. Where it gets the most views, where it gets the most clicks, where it's ultimately going to get purchased. So it's not because the listing triggers like a check mark in the algorithm, it's buyer behavior and eBay trying to figure out where to put your listing to get it sold. Now, the second thing I said was the most important thing on an eBay listing for the algorithm is relevancy. This is 100% truth. If you do nothing else, make your listing as relevant as possible. Again, this is because of buyer behavior. I'm going to show you how people, as you are making listings and you're searching, that's not eBay, that's not buyer behavior. So this is someone searching. They're coming in here and they want a pair of women's jeans. There's 1.5 million pairs of women's jeans on eBay right now. Obviously, you might sell in a different category. This is just for the sake of it, of showing you an example. But the relevancy in your listing comes in because you want the buyer to find your item. And you don't want any buyer to find your item. You want a buyer who's looking for your item to find your item. So if you're going in and you're listing a pair of blue jeans and you click black and they click, someone's going in and says, I want a pair of black jeans, and now black jeans come up and then you have your one pair of blue jeans come up, they're not going to buy it because that's not what they want. And so going through and making sure that your SEO is on point, going through and making sure that all of your item specifics are filled out to the best of your knowledge and to the best of the category. Don't go in and fill them out just to fill them out for the sake, because then your items are getting shown in front of buyers who don't actually want them. The more times that in eBay put your item in front of a potential buyer and it doesn't move forward, it doesn't get clicks, it doesn't ultimately sell, the less eBay is going to sell your item. So you are going to actually start suppressing your own items if you are not filling them out to the best of your ability, right? That's where relevancy comes in, making sure that you are filling out all of your item specifics relevant to the item that is listed. I'm going to keep this screen up. Actually, no, I'm not. But the next thing is going to be, actually, before we get into that, reverse, Sarah. My brain's all over the place here. I'm so excited to share these with you, and this is the first time I've done a 2 truths and a lie video, so I think it's kind of fun. Let me know what you guys think. But so if you guys are enjoying this video, do please like, save, share, and comment, because it is going to help the algorithm get it out to more people. It's also a completely free way to support me as a content creator. If you guys want to support me, you can also join memberships to support more content like this. All right, let's get into the last thing. The last thing was free shipping gives more exposure. It's true. Do you have to do free shipping? No. I'll link a video up here of how to do an A/B testing and how to figure out if free shipping is right for you. I actually don't do free shipping, but based off of the eBay and the way that they're set up, free shipping is going to give you more exposure. And here is why. So this one's kind of a truth and a lie as well. It's not because the algorithm is like, oh, you gave free shipping, I'm going to give you more views. The reason that it is, friends, is buyer behavior. If you have free shipping on your items, someone searching for a pair of women's jeans, they're going to scroll. Is it down here? Yeah, they're going to scroll down here and they're going to click this option, free shipping. And if you have free shipping on, you are now one of 360,000 items that are being shown. And if you don't have free shipping on, you are one of the over 1 million listings that have now gone away. So now your items have more exposure simply because if someone clicks on that, it is going to be seen. Hope you guys enjoy this video and have a wonderful day.